Hey there. In the previous couple of sessions, we have used the model builder UI for performing the AutoML. Microsoft also provides a CLI. If you are a console fan, then you can use that. Note that these options come with the .NET Core 2.2. So if you are using the older version of .NET Core or the .NET framework, then you cannot use these options. For this, I am going to use the built-in package manager console in the Visual Studio, but you can also use the command line prompt or shell. First of all, we need to install the ml.net CLI globally. Write the .NET tool install -g mlnet. Here it installed the version 0.15 successfully. To verify this command, we can obtain its help using the help option. Here you can see that it provides the additional command and option that we can pass in the mlnet. It just has a single command, that is auto train. So use that command. Using the task option, we can specify the ML task that we want to perform. That is regression, binary classification, multi-class classification, etc. Next step is providing the dataset for the training model. I'm going to use the same file that we have used in the previous example. Now we need to specify the name of the column that we want to use as a label. That is salary. Here I want to print all the things done by the command, so I am set the verbosity to the diagnostics. For now, I am not passing the any additional option. We will see the other supported option in the next session. Press enter key. Now we explore the multiple ML algorithm and setting to find out the base model. Here we have not passed the explicit time, so it will take the default value, that is 30 minutes. I have fast forwarded this video. Here after a few minutes it provides a summary. It tried total 586 combination for model. And here are the top 5 models for the dataset. In the bottom it provides a various path where it generated code. Here is a folder that created by the model builder. It contains the two folders, models and console app. It is similar to the content that generated by the model builder UI. After all, UI is using the CLI in the background to generate the code. One difference I found is that in the UI we have the solution and added a couple of projects within that. But in the case of CLI, it also generates the new solution. Stay tuned for the next session.